Hello students, as you can see some objects are shown on the screen. You see these every day. This is a button, this is a CD, this is a slice of tomato, this is a pizza, these are clocks and this is a wheel. These all objects are, yes, they are circular or round in shape. So you have learned about various shapes like square, rectangle, circle in class 3rd. And we are going to study about circles in some more details in this video. So this video is of chapter Cards and Wheels of class 4th, and this chapter is about circles, concepts of circles. Now to start with, you need to know what is a circle. So a circle is a simple closed curve which is equidistant from a given point. As you can see, if you take 2 points on the circle, they will be at the same distance from the center. This is called the center of the circle. All circles have a center and they have only a single center. And this distance is called the radius of the circle. So we'll learn about radius and many other terms in this chapter. So before in parts of circle. Before going to other concepts of this chapter, you need to know these terms. You have to familiarize yourself with these terms associated with circle. Okay. So as I told you, center and radius, I have already told you, center is the point in a circle from which the curve of the circle, this line, is equidistant. Okay. And radius is that distance from the circle, from the center, from the center. Okay. And next is diameter. Diameter is a line that touches the circle on 2 points and passes through the center of the circle. Circumference. This line of the circle, the boundary, or you can say the boundary of the circle, is called the circumference of the circle. Next is chord. Any line that touches the circle at 2 different points is called chord. Now I have used this sentence before also. When I told about diameter. Diameter also touches the circle at 2 different points. But what is the difference between the diameter and the chord? The diameter passes through the center of the circle, but the chord doesn't pass through the center of the circle. The diameter is also a chord, but it's a special chord as it passes through the center of the circle. And later also we will do, but I'll tell you here also that the diameter is considered as the longest chord of the circle. In coming up videos, I will explain why this is called so. And again, I'll repeat, the chord is also a line that touches the circle at 2 different points, but it doesn't pass, it doesn't necessarily pass through the center of the circle. Okay? Again, I will repeat all the terms once more. Center, every circle has a center. The center is the point from which all the points, the full curve of the circle is equidistant from. Okay. Then radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. Diameter is a line that touches the circle on 2 points and passes through the center of the circle. Sorry, I didn't explain about the arc. Arc is a part of the circumference of the circle. If I cut out a small part from the circumference of the circle, that particular part is called arc. Okay. This also, if I take from here to here, any part, I can put a point here and put a point here. So from here to here, it will be an arc. Circumference, I explained you, the boundary of the circle is called the circumference of the circle. And chord is a line that touches the circle at two different points. So that's all for now. This video will be accompanied by a fact sheet. In that fact sheet, all the terms, all the definitions will be given of these terms. You can learn the definitions from there. That's all for now. In this video, we'll be doing some more concepts in coming up videos. Thank you.